In this video, you'll see how to make beautiful buttercream tulips. They can be piped and then placed directly onto a cake or cupcakes, or you can freeze them for later use. Hi, it's Lorelie. Welcome back to my channel, and if it's your first time, welcome to Wedding Cakes for You Cake Tutorials. If you like my videos, please click the subscribe button and ring the bell. This cupcake is made with my incredible buttermilk chocolate cake recipe. The link is below in the description box for you. Watch how I pipe the first tulip, and then I'll talk you through the second one. The tulip begins with a mound of buttercream to support the petals. This is tip number 1, 2, 3. The stamens are next. Use a small round tip or cut the tip of a parchment bag like I did. The curve of the tip should be facing the mound. Angle the petal slightly towards the right as you turn the nail to the left, and the opposite if you're left-handed. Ideally, 3 petals are in the center. They should overlap each other, and 3 to 5 petals over that. The buttercream that I'm using in this video, and most of my videos, is the Italian meringue buttercream. You can get a free copy of my top 5 buttercream recipes if you go to weddingcakesforyou.com and look for the little red book on the right-hand side. Here they are in pink with some daffodils. And these tulips here are made using a Russian piping nozzle. I'll link to that video for you so you can see how those are made. Thank you so much for being here. I really appreciate it. Just let me know in the comments below what you thought, or if you have a question. And please don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell if you haven't done so already. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.